Dito tayo sa Maricelo Villas, a Spanish-inspired community dito sa Las Piñas City, malapit sa C5 and Cavitex. So, andito tayo sa Maricelo Villas in Las Piñas City to check this foreclosed condo units. Ito siya magkatabi, 504 and 505. 42.5 square meters each, and then around 3.2 million. And ang maganda pa sa unit na to, may parking po siya. Pwede nyo siyang bilhin ng dalawa if you want, or isa lang po. Pag pinurchase nyo to ng dalawa, we can avail the 10% discount. Okay? So, check natin. Pasukin natin siya. So, ito yung isang unit. 504. 42.5 square meters, 2 bedrooms. Ayan yung bathroom niya. And then kitchen. And then ito yung bedroom 1. Yan ang view niya. And then ito yung bedroom 2. Yan. Ng balcony facing Las Piñas City View. Then check natin yung isang unit. May kasama tong parking tag-isa sila. Ito yung isang unit. Ayan. Same size lang din. Ayan. Ito naman yung kitchen nandito. Ayan, may plastic cover pa. Hindi siya nagamit ng previous owner. Madumi lang. Good as brand new. Ayan. May plastic cover pa. Okay. So same view din. This is available in cash or at least 10% down payment and then 90% balance bank financing plus taxes and fees. If you are interested to make an offer, first come first serve po tayo dito. Please message us directly and as is where is upon turnover. So may balcony din siya. Same view. Yan. And ang kagandahan pa dito is malapit tayo sa Alabang Zapote Road, Cavitex, C5, kaya naman going to Makati and PGC. Kaya niya more or less 30 minutes kapag hindi rush hour. So again, if you are interested to make an offer, message us directly.